In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the can't start app or game on PS5 error. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and highlight the game or app that's just not starting for you. And what you're going to want to do, and we're going to pretend this is Resident Evil Requiem right here, is hit the options button on your controller and select check for update. If an update's available, install it and try launching the game again. Outdated game files are very common and they can cause this error a lot, especially on multiplayer games. If your game is already up to date though, go ahead and go up to the settings gear up in the top right corner, select it and go to system and then go ahead and hit system software and go to system software update and settings. Open it up and then hit update system software, and if there is a system update, go ahead and do it just like so. Some games won't launch properly if your console isn't on the latest version, but if it's still happening, go ahead and back out to your main settings page and go to users and accounts, select it and scroll all the way down until you see other, scroll over to the right, hit restore licenses and do this, and this will help any digital game that you might own as well, where your console's just not recognizing that it's your game properly. If none of these work, go ahead and press the PlayStation button on your controller and go all the way over to the power button just like so, select it and hit restart PS5, and it's going to clear any temporary glitches that may be preventing the game from launching. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.